Have you ever spoken English and someone said, "Your English is correct, but you sound robotic"? Don't worry. Millions of learners face this. The problem isn't grammar, it's stress and intonation. Today, I'll show you 1. What robotic English sounds like. 2. How natives really use stress and intonation. And 3. How you can practice so you sound natural, not like a robot. 1. What robotic English sounds like. Here's an example. Listen carefully. Hello, how are you today? I am very good. Thank you. Now, the same words again, but with natural intonation. Hey, how are you? I'm good, thanks. Same words, but one sounds like Siri from 2005, and the other sounds like a real human. That's the power of stress and intonation. 2. Stress the important word. In English, not every word is equal. Some words are strong, others are weak. We stress content words, nouns, main verbs, adjectives, adverbs. We don't stress grammar words, articles, prepositions, auxiliaries. Examples. Robotic. I am going to the store. Natural. I'm going to the store. Robotic. She is my friend. Natural. She's my friend. Robotic. I would like to order some coffee. Natural. I'd like to order some coffee. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I need a coffee. Pause. She's my friend. Laz. We're having a meeting. Pause. Notice how one word always jumps out? That's stress. 3. Intonation, the music of English. Now let's talk about intonation. It's the rise and fall of your voice. The melody of English. Rule 1. Yes or no questions go up. Robotic. Are you happy? Natural. Are you happy? Rule 2. Statements and WH questions go down. Robotic. Where are you going? Natural. Where are you going? Rule 3. Fall rise means polite, unsure, or continuing. Robotic. Maybe later. Natural. Maybe. Later. Let's practice. Are you ready? Yes, pause. I am. Well, maybe. 4. Real life examples. Now, let's test this in real life. Scenario 1. Asking for help. Robotic. Can you help me with this report? Natural. Hey, can you help me with this report? Scenario 2. Small talk. Robotic. The weather is very nice today. Natural. Nice weather today, huh? Scenario 3. Ending a meeting. Robotic. Thank you for coming to the meeting. Natural. Thanks for coming to the meeting. Which one would you rather sound like? Part 5. Common mistakes. Most learners make 3 mistakes. Stressing every word equally. Speaking flat with no up or down. Being afraid to exaggerate. But exaggeration is your friend. So don't be shy, lean into the rhythm. Natives do it all the time. That's amazing. Now, finally, the last part. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's forward to the 6th part, which is final practice drill. Let's do a quick drill. Repeat after me. I can't believe it. Are you serious? Of course I am. Maybe tomorrow. Record yourself. Play it back. If you sound flat, do it again with more energy. Outro. So, your English doesn't sound robotic because of grammar? It's because of stress and intonation. Practice these daily and you'll sound natural, confident, and fluent. Quick question. Right now, do you sound more robotic or more natural? Comment below and subscribe for more micro lessons on real English. See you in the next video.